Hello and welcome everyone today. We're going to dive into Canva's plans and pricing to help you understand which one might be the best fit for you. Canva is an amazing tool for designing graphics, presentations, social media posts, and more. So let's get started. First up, we have the free plan. As the name suggests, it's completely free to use. With the free plan, you have access to an easy-to-use drag and drop editor. This editor allows you to create various designs, such as flyers, business cards, and more, without needing advanced technical skills. Upon using the free plan, you gain access to a vast library of templates, totaling over 1 million. These templates cover a wide range of design needs, providing you with ample options to choose from for your projects. You will also get the access to 1,000+ design resources such as social media post, business card, flyers, presentations, and more. Additionally, you'll have access to a collection of over 3 million stock photos and graphics. These resources can enhance your designs, making them visually appealing and professional. Then, with Canva's free plan, users get access to AI-generated designs and writings. This means Canva's artificial intelligence suggests layout ideas, color schemes, fonts, and even generates text like headlines and captions based on the content and context of the user's project. The free plan also includes a design and printing service known as Print on Demand. This service allows you to design various items, such as business cards, flyers, t-shirts, and more, and have them printed as per your specifications. Once printed, the items will be delivered to your doorstep. Alongside these features, the free plan provides 5 GB of cloud storage. This storage space enables you to save your designs securely online, making them accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Next, we have the Canva Pro plan. This is Canva's paid subscription service, and it offers a ton of additional features. First off, with the Canva Pro plan, you gain access to an abundance of premium resources. That's right, you get unlimited access to over 100 million photos, videos, graphics, and audio files to elevate your designs. Next, managing your brand becomes a breeze with the Pro plan. You'll have access to 100 brand kits, allowing you to maintain consistency and professionalism across all your designs. After that, you have the option to quickly resize and translate your designs. Whether you need to make your design larger or smaller, or if you want to translate it into different languages, Canva makes the process incredibly simple and efficient. Next, you'll gain access to the background removal tool, simplifying the process of removing backgrounds to just one click. Next up is AI tool feature. With Pro Plan, you get the access to 20+ AI-powered tools. From advanced photo editing to intelligent design suggestions, these tools are sure to take your designs to the next level. After that, with Pro Plan, you can plan and schedule your content directly within Canva Pro. This feature enables you to organize your design projects and coordinate your publication schedule efficiently. The Pro Plan comes with 1 TB of cloud storage, providing ample space for all your creative projects. And at last, you receive 24/7 customer service with the Pro plan. Finally, we have the Canva Team Plan. This plan is designed for larger teams and businesses. With the Canva Team Plan, you get all the features of the Pro plan, plus additional tools for collaboration and workflow management. With the Canva Team Plan, you have the power to scale your brand and centralize your assets. This means you can expand your brand presence while keeping all your design elements organized and accessible in one place. Ensuring brand consistency is key, and with the Canva Team Plan, you can do just that with approvals. You have the power to review and approve designs before they're finalized, guaranteeing that your brand guidelines are always followed. Moving on, collaboration is made seamless with real-time editing and commenting capabilities. This means you and your team can work together on designs, provide feedback, and make revisions in real time, fostering a highly efficient workflow. Next comes the magic of AI. With the Canva team plan, you can generate on-brand copy using artificial intelligence. This means you can quickly create engaging and consistent messaging for your designs with ease. After that, you can monitor your team's performance using team reports and analytics. This feature enables you to track usage, analyze trends, and refine your design strategies for optimal impact. Then comes the flexibility of payment options. With the Canva team plan, you can pay as you grow, ensuring that your subscription adapts to the evolving needs of your business, whether you're just starting out or scaling up. Next on the list is the inclusion of 1 TB of cloud storage. This generous storage allowance ensures that you can securely store all your designs, assets, and documents in the cloud, accessible anytime, anywhere. You receive 24/7 customer service with the Canva team plan. Then, take control of your team's design process with AI-powered administrative controls. Customize permissions, monitor usage, and manage resources efficiently, all with the help of intelligent automation. After that, enhance security and streamline access with single sign-on (SSO) integration. This feature simplifies the login process for your team while also bolstering data security by integrating with your existing authentication systems. Lastly, with the Canva team plan, you receive an ISO certificate demonstrating our commitment to maintaining the highest standards of information security management, providing you with added peace of mind. Now, let's talk about pricing. The free plan, as I mentioned earlier, is completely free. The Pro plan is available on a monthly or annual subscription basis. The monthly subscription costs $14.99 per month, while the annual subscription is $119.99 per year, which works out to be $9.99 per month. The Canva for Team plan is priced based on a per-seat model, meaning the cost varies depending on the number of users in your team. As you can see, Canva charges $300 for 5-person yearly and $29.99 for monthly. If you increase team members, then price will also increase. So, that concludes our overview of Canva's plans and pricing. No matter if you're working alone, have a small business, or run a big company, Canva has a plan that suits you. If you want to learn more about what each plan offers, just scroll down and click on All Features. This will give you all the details you need. With that, we've reached the end of this lesson. Until next time, happy designing!